Hey guys, HobbyGrit here. Today, we're going in space with rockets. Because we're gonna find out what's inside space rocks and meteorites. Let's go! Good job, HobbyGator. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We gotta get in space. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
HobbyKidsTV.
Whoa! 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 Landed right in the middle of a meteorite storm. Cool space creature. Let's see if we can catch one of these meteorites. Whoa! That was way too big. We need to get a small one. Here it comes. Whoa. Cupcake, I'm gonna need my workbench. Do you guys want to see what's inside this thing? Well, yeah, me too.
Hobby Science Lab.
Do you guys see this yellow-green ooze coming out of this space rock? Give this video a thumbs up if you can see it. What? Is that a... No way. It's a baby dinosaur.
Wow.
Is that what happened to the dinosaurs? A comet came down and took them all into space? Whoa. Alright. We need either a meteorite or some more space rocks to see what's inside. Whoa! Man, that journey to the galaxy ship is fast! Okay, oh, here comes some more meteorites. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, I need my cupcake! Cupcake! Good job. Oh yeah, come next, meteorite. Hey, HobbyGator, are you here to help me? Come on, let's go get a meteorite. Wow! They almost took my hat off! Come on, Han Solo! Fly better than that! Here's my hammer. Hit the meteorites. Get them! Oh, here comes another one! Yeah, we got one! Let's go back to our workbench. Oh, hey guys! I got another meteorite! I wonder what's inside this one! It's so crystally and blue. And there's like this red sand stuff inside. It's almost like touching a cactus. Whoa! Star-Lord, Guardians of the Galaxy Hot Wheels car. I got one. Woo-hoo. Whoa! It's on fire! Hey guys, check it out! I caught a real meteorite in space! And this one's got this weird gooey stuff coming from the inside of it. Let's get this goo off. Wow, that is a super cool meteorite. Using glow, my really strong clipper cloppers here, we are going to break off a piece of this meteorite and see if there's more goo inside. Come on, clipper clopper. There we go. Super cool. It's like got these, almost looks like wood, maybe a little bit of rock.
Wow, that's really heavy.
I'm going to show you how to make something really cool. Take your meteorite and wrap it around. Put it in the pot. Like that. Sticks! In the pot. Now, when you're making anything, you always have to have a little grit. Like that. And the last ingredient, HobbyGrit's super special space fuel. Look at it smoking and bubbling now. Where did I go? Whoa, something weird's happening. Oh man. Oh, I think it's gonna blow. Whoa, cool. This is exactly what I wanted to make. It was a replica of Thors Stormbreaker Hammer. Now we can really blast away those meteorites. Get back here, meteorites!